What's up, everybody? I am finally doing this. I have been wanting to do this for a while, where I showcase how I use the Peel It Off base gel on my toes, just like how I do it for my extensions. So let's cross our fingers. I barely be wanting to show anybody my toes, but here we are. Look at that. Do you see that? See how easy that just came off? I've had this color on for a couple weeks now. I say 2.5 weeks. But do you just see? Look at this. Look at how easy. Okay. I'm here for the ease of things. Look at that. Look at how easy that was. And that is how you use Peel It Off base gel on your toes. It's super easy. I'm gonna go ahead and just prep my toes again and get some different polish on there. So I will see you in another video for that. But look at how easy that was. Unedited, 1.5 minutes. Quickest removal ever. I love it. Peace and blessings.